In this video we're going to talk about the VLOOKUP function. The VLOOKUP function is one of the most popular functions in Excel. It searches for the value you specify and returns a matching value from another column. More technically, the VLOOKUP function looks up a value in the first column of a given range and returns a value in the same row from another column. The syntax for this is =, followed by VLOOKUP function, open parenthesis, lookup value, comma, table array, comma, index num, comma, range lookup then close parenthesis. Let's take a look at this example.